How long was this geropsychology course, or like,
Oh, okay.
how long was that for?
So yeah, board certification in geropsychology, it is not just a course. I don't think like a
Okay.
course is
I
going to cut
I,
it.
I apologize.
No, 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 that's
I
okay.
didn't mean
Nobody
okay.
knows.
I know.
Nobody
So I
knows.
just
And
yeah.
there's like just a handful of people who have it. Basically, there's a whole certification process you have to go through to even
Okay.
be considered. So you have to apply, you have to show them your training in geriatrics, have certain you have to be working in primarily geriatrics for a certain number of years. You have to like document all the training you've received. You have to like do certain essays, like what would you do in certain situations. You have to submit case studies and samples
So so
redacted without any
do you think
whatever, personal
do you think
details. And then you have to fly. At this time, it was in California, and you sit in
yeah.
front of a panel, and all like for a half day, I was grilled by the top geriatric experts in terms of, they grilled me on my work samples. Why did I come to this
Yeah.
diagnosis? Why didn't I do this? They gave me hypothetical
Wow.
scenarios. What would you do in this situation and why? They asked me like basic knowledge people should know. They wanted to know, like certain tests and what would I give and who's the creator of that test. Like just so it's just like
Now
and I have to keep that up.
at this point, had you like was a lot of the insight coming from your Careblazers and your experiences that they were going through, or was it still more so like the insight you had from the actual field? From
Just the field.
okay,
Yeah,
gotcha. Okay,
just the
so
field. Like to eat, yeah. I didn't really I don't when I became board certified, I don't Dementia Careblazers was a little itch in the back of my mind that I was too
gotcha.
afraid to take
Okay,
action on.
gotcha.
And
So
I've
then it
Yeah,
was
go
like
ahead.
right after that that's when the T-bone happened. That's when like you're like, all right, I'm gonna start moving forward and actually put more effort, more time into Dementia Careblazers and building that community.
Yeah, like, well, I didn't
Yeah.
even know, like, Dementia Careblazers was Dementia Careblazers. It was just like, how
Yeah.
do I turn on my
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
camera and how do I help? And yeah, so it was I worked at the VA doing this on the side up until last year in November.
Hey guys, thank you so much for making it this far. If you'd like to watch last week's episode, click here. If you'd like to watch more exciting content on senior care, click here. If you'd like to learn how to open up your own adult daycare, assisted living, or home care agency, click here, krischanna.com. This is for all those senior care entrepreneurs out there. And let's get back to work.